Alright, I'm not gonna lie. I did not know this place existed. Wow, Jamaica.
There's something about the rhythm of retirement that still surprises me. Some mornings begin cool and quiet, the kind where the iced coffee sweats before I do, and the breeze carries just enough hope to make the day feel simple. Other times, the day starts more like a fire does at night, slow at first, then suddenly alive, warm, unpredictable. And these scenes flip back and forth, fire in the darkness, coffee in the lights. I realize that retirement isn't one steady season. It drifts. It changes. Some days feel like the calm chill of the morning, where everything moves gently and nothing is urgent. And other days burn brighter, full of sparks I never saw coming. A project that grows bigger, kids running through the yard, or some little adventure we didn't plan but somehow needed. And that's the beauty of it. You don't actually know which version of the day you're waking up to. You just meet it where it is. The fire teaches me to slow down, to sit with the warmth, to appreciate the quiet moments that used to slip right past me when life was busier. And the iced coffee reminds me that even when the day starts cool, it can warm up fast with a little movement, a little purpose, a little laughter from the boys. Retirement isn't about choosing between calm or excitement, between the late night glow or the early morning breeze. It's about learning to enjoy both. Learning to let the day announce itself, learning to adapt without rushing. So whether today carries the sparks of fire, or the freshness of morning coffee, or like most days, a little bit of both, I'm learning to just take it as it comes. Because honestly, that's what makes this journey so intriguing. Not knowing, not planning every moment, just appreciating the shifting rhythm of life out here, and enjoying the journey, one day, one cup, one flame at a time. After a few days of dialing in the samples, the trials, I think we've gotten pretty close. You know, they say some of the best things in life happen by accident. Yeah, this cappuccino froth is just a little bit more morning cheerful than the latte froth. Little, I don't know. Look at it from a caloric standpoint. The cappuccino froth is only 5 ounces, where the latte froth is 8 ounces of milk. So, even from a financial standpoint, yeah, if you use the cappuccino froth, it serves the same purpose, less diluted flavor because of the milk, and 3 ounces less. Then you really go down the cappuccino rabbit hole after 2 sips, and you're like, well, that means for every 3 cappuccinos, I only would have got about 2 lattes. 3 cappuccinos would be 15 ounces, 2 lattes, 16 ounces. Yeah. And I'm getting smart. So I used to do 2 cups of coffee in the morning, and then maybe 1 in the afternoon. Don't judge, I know. But now it's like, man, if I just make this a quad, cappuccino, I don't know, puppies, they're being taunted. Just lay down right there in the street. Sorry, blurry, can't focus. There you go. Oh yeah, bye. Where was I? Oh yes, anyway, so we do a quad in the morning, that's only 5 ounces of milk rather than 10, and get the double caffeine. And it's really not about the caffeine. It's about establishing routines that bring you joy, right? Like the caffeine probably helps a little bit, but let's face it, at this point, like I worked overnights in college. I could drink coffee and go to bed, you know. But nowadays, I'm not as young as I used to be. Now it's no caffeine after. I was doing 4, but even that was a little iffy, so I moved it up to 2 o'clock. It's like if I don't get my afternoon in by 2 o'clock, it's a rough night. Which then digresses into the rough night from last night, which wasn't caffeine induced. It was the Friday night water parks, man. Like the water was a tease from the pipe, man. It came in the pipe right at 6:30. I was walking by the tank and I heard it and I was like, joy to the world, man. We were singing holiday songs because if it's in there by 6:30, your tanks are full by 8:30 because only the concrete tank was empty. And you have yourself a merry little night, not having to worry about waking up. But it was not to be, because 30 seconds after I turned the pump on, the water was no more. Other pumps before us were turned on, and we waited and waited. And so we tried around 11, and then around 2, and then finally at 3:30. I'm getting really good at, you know, some people can just wake up without an alarm and they can hear something and wake up. Like Friday night, I've tuned my ears in, man. I've tuned them into the water tanks. You can hear, and we strategically turn on the bottom water tank Friday mornings to get a little bit of water out of it, so that when the water comes, as it should, Friday nights, it has enough pressure behind it to reach the bottom tank that's on the ground. So I got to hear that at 3:30 this morning. Turn on the pump. Tanks were full by 5:30. It's now 8:30. Whew. And we're good. And we are good. Morning, Rajiv. What are we doing today? Morning, Mario. No idea. I know what we're doing today. We're expanding. We are expanding the yard. Yes. The teen chicks have inspired the idea that we're going to run a 4-foot chicken mesh from the one side of the fence all the way to the other side of the fence, and let the ladies free. Let the ladies roam in that space, dog free. As long as we can find something to put them up. And then I was like, well, we got the bamboo poles there. We could just use those. That's the goal for today. The kids want to go to the river. I don't know if that's happening. It's Saturday. There's espresso. There's milk. We'll figure it out. Can't even talk. It's so good. We'll be fine. Christmas is coming. Started wrapping. Yeah. Good morning, ladies. Where's the rest of us? Yep. I know. Those dudes always going for the younger girls. He's playing the fatherly role, I promise, okay? He's teaching her the ways of the outdoor wilderness. Yeah. Right, father? Mm-hmm. Morning. You gotta go around. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Want some help? Yeah, food's in there, man. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. We'll figure it out. All right, go get it. You're getting closer. Come on, girls, you can do it. Don't be afraid, there's room at the table. Mm-hmm. You gotta go over there. The food's over there. Mm-hmm. You're seeing adolescence in real time. Ready? What? This is an regardless of species problem. Here we go. The young ones were fed for their dish in their own little safety. Hello, sir. And the teenagers, the angst and jealousy of that used to be my feeder, and now you guys are get to eat out of it. And the trepidation they have when the older ladies aren't really ready to fully accept them, but that's where they need to be. That's where they need to eat out of, if they want to eat. In real time, yeah. This is the past, the present, and the future. I know. And standing on the rock in turmoil. Just caught between a rock and a hard place. Yeah, and a friendly young man who says, "How you doing? How you?" This is a chicken story. Oh, yeah, finding that bravery, and not finding it. I thought that was it. I thought that was the one. You gotta show the example for your little sis. You can do it. No, you're going the wrong way. Oh, here comes the other one.
We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you to the end of time. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'd never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go. Come on, baby, what you waiting for? You and me could be so much more. There's something I've been dying to say. Honey, let's take a leap of faith. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'd never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure.
Good morning, sir.
Hello.
Where's your breakfast?
Ethan?
Is it good? What do we got going on here? This is like Saturday morning cartoons, huh? Cornflakes, your own little TV. You want to just put your feet up, stay a while? What do you think? Good stuff? Oh yeah. Wait. How do you retire? Remember? Where do your arms go? Yeah, lean back. Oh, you can't. I thought haven't you been practicing? Let me see the retirement pose. Arms up, feet crossed. Yes, Father. All right. Wow.
No, che, ya se me está muerto capo.
Okay, it's Saturday. Don't judge. I was gonna sit on the veranda, but then I was like, why? I've got my new favorite, which is probably horrible, but don't, again, judgment-free zone. It's ramen. Not gonna lie, have it like once a week. The soy sauce flavor, the shoyu flavored. But I've always enjoyed adding some egg to it, a little nutritional value, and except part of me gets lazy when it's like I don't want to dirty up more than one dish and cook one egg in one dish and the ramen in another dish. Too many dishes, so I just throw the egg in the water. Little poached scramble. As it cooks the noodles, it cooks the egg. It works. But I was having this momentous thought this morning. I know that it happens once in a while, and it could be that cappuccino still lingering, but Andre's assignment this week that he had was all about underlining the verbs in the sentence, the action words, the things that are doing. And I think I figured out this nagging back of my brain, back of my head, little voice that says, where's your verb? Where's your verb? I feel like, I don't know if it's culturally or not, but like there's always this, you should be doing something. What are you doing? Someone will call you right now on the phone and say, what are you doing? Nothing. I'm sitting. I'm enjoying a Saturday morning. What if nothing can be a verb? Because nothing is something, but something can't be nothing. So yeah, that's my nagging thought. I was like, the academic assignments carrying over into the real world. Like, I always have this constant thought, like, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? And it's okay to do nothing sometimes. I'm sitting, I'm eating, I'm enjoying the cool breeze of the Saturday morning sunrise. Sonia's washing. She's got those verbs down. Yeah, she was up. Water's in the pipe. I'll be back. She hasn't come back yet. She terminated me. That's my nagging thought for the morning. It's okay to do nothing, and nothing should be a verb. I feel better, thanks. Yeah. I'm gonna get back to doing nothing. I'm staring at a black lizard on my house. Wow.
You gotta come
I have to? Why?
because you can't sit there.
Why?
Content. You have to get up off your butt out there.
I have to?
Yeah.
I'm doing something.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Exactly. I'm doing a lot.
What?
Everything.
Well, they do say opposites attract there. I'm doing nothing, you're doing everything. That sounds like a yin and yang to me. Or, we bought 2 hammocks here. There's this one and there's one here that people have asked, where's Sonia's hammock? And Sonia leans against it to rest before she trudges back off into the wilderness.
Yep. I don't like it.
What?
Kind of something like that.
Yes, I know. This hammock is the fabric's right inside. It's in the shade.
Yeah, but if I take a pit, if I put the hammock on, I have to take care of that.
Oh, honey, I don't know. Like,
No matter what.
it's so much work.
Anyway, it dish me for get one dish.
Why don't you ask one of the children to come carry it?
Those lazy kids.
Yes,
sit
those
on
ones.
iPad.
You're right. It's their Saturday morning too.
Well, their Saturday mornings to wash their clothes and sit on iPad.
Well, I hope you're not washing them.
Washing the uniform then.
Okay.
And the white marina then.
Right. Yes, we are exploring the idea of natural consequences. And when I say we, I mean me, and trying to encourage Sonia. Like, yes, when they choose not to wash their clothes, and then they have no more clothes, the universe will work itself out.
They're going to wash one suit or they need to put on and then
Okay.
the rest.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Honey, they're teenagers and preteens. I don't like you have this distorted sense of reality when it comes to
But I'm saying if you
Lifetime
don't,
original movie kids. That
not
just
lifetime original movie kid, but if you don't watch them,
Hmm.
what things have happened? Just like when they were their father
Nothing.
was alive and their father was on there,
Nothing.
all the time by washing clothes.
Mhm.
And he used to go back and buy them for them.
Okay, well, we're not going to be enabling them, Sonia. If they want to sit on a Saturday morning and watch their Saturday morning cartoons, metaphorically speaking, then let them.
I get chance and get Junior where I think of it. The whole I body tear out.
Okay.
I don't know when tear out the body, but the body gone. So me like it, no matter wash it.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a very progressive conversation, dear.
The banana I'm talking about. I'm not talking about.
You want me to lead by example here? Hold on. How it's done. You ready? Which one would you like me to summon? Any of them?
Probably one of them in them beds anyway.
No. One of them was doing his work from he didn't do yesterday on the table.
Which one?
The bigger one.
Oh.
Let's see. Who should we summon? Let's see how our magic spells are working. All right. Dave's got headphones in, so I don't want to play that game. I'm gonna go for it. Junior fed the chickens this morning. I think he seemed ambitious. What size bowl would you like? You got to be specific. This is like you got to be careful when you rub the magic lamp because the genie will take your words and twist them in a way that you don't get what you want. What size bowl would you like? These are the blue bowl, the metal bowl with the blue on the bottom.
No. The blue dish contain a straining.
Oh, the blue one with the holes in it.
Yes.
Here we go. You ready?
Okay.
Okay. Did you find the magic lamp?
No.
Oh, I'm gonna do it. Here we go. Junior, can you bring me the blue strainer, please? The blue bowl with the holes in it. And thank you. His name was Junior. I summoned Junior to bring the blue strainer bowl. There was a clarifying question there. Just wanted to make sure. Now silence. I hear rummaging in the kitchen. Hold on. Oh, he's going to find it. There's going to be an obstruction as the grill is not open, I don't think. Great. Will it fit through the grill? Hello? Are you going for the key? Junior? Are you going for the key? Yeah, there was hesitation there. And just like that, look, Sonia. No, give it to Sonia. She has wished upon it. She will fill it with bananas and give it back to you. If you want any bananas. Honey, look at that. You see that? I didn't even have to get up. My feet are still in the hammock. Some might consider that, job well done. Where's your pom-poms? No cheering on that one, huh?
No.
Okay, well, I'm glad I could help, dear. Yeah? Okay, now we're talking. Breakfast is served, dear.
Yeah.
Enjoy, dear. That's.
Why is he? Is not anybody?
I think he had cornflakes.
Hmm?
He had cornflakes. Somebody made for him. All right. Those are our fallen hurricane bananas. They survived. And? Can work? Nice. I figured it out. What? Hmm? Duck. Okay, but what needs to get done before we go?
We done the chores.
You did. That's one.
One would not do.
The board's there for a reason, Dave. I am not responsible for checking the board until Sunday. It's your guys' job to fill it out. Yours is done, yeah. I think Junior's is done. He did the chickens this morning.
Only?
He. But I mean, we can go. River trip, New River duck. They call it duck, like the bird. Why do they call it duck?
We don't.
Duck River. Yay. You know what I want to do today, right? We got to measure out how much more chicken mesh we're going to need to make it all the way to this fence post right here.
You know, if we fancy, you just keep them running.
I don't have to fence it, you're right, but I want to. You don't have to do any chores, you're right, but you want to. Right. We'll figure it out, Dave. We'll figure it out. I'm good, Dave. Thank you. There's another hammock. There's sitting. Yeah, I don't know why nobody else wants to use it. Nice, Dave. Your shorts, Dave. Dave. Yeah.
Did you have everything I'm here?
Yeah.
More spot. That you do?
Yeah.
Or one. You want brown egg too?
Okay.
That going well done?
That's good.
Yeah, babe.
Oh, now I get offered a piece. Mars gets first pickings. Really?
What?
What?
You never from breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
Spot.
Oh
Move.
boy. Spot. Come here. Come here. Yes, I know.
Get out.
Oh boy. Breakfast drama. I know. You guys.
You want him?
You go ahead, dear. Right, super scientific research. Need 25 feet to make it to the end. Ugh. And maybe 20 to get to that side. We'll figure it out. Why not? Hanging out with the older chicks today, huh? Getting braver. Okay, good talk. Oh, we're pretty close. We're pretty close. All right, we've negotiated terms. Here's how it's gonna work. We get the chicken coop expanded, the run anyway, to this backyard area. I think we have enough mesh to do it, and if not, we got some pieces of zinc that'll satisfy. We get that done. we'll go find the river. Duck River. We're gonna need a time lapse. Here we go. Dave! We're raiding on you, man.
So good day, everybody.
So we are going to show you guys the fencing that me and Marian, Queen and Junior did. And yes, so we put a mesh from there, go to there, then we put the zinc there and put 2 pieces of wood there to lead them up, and then we unconnect the mesh from around here. Then the chicken are chilling. We bring that mesh, go where the garden was. Yes, as you can see, I want a jelly. I'm going to pick a jelly soon, and then it stop, and then we put a zinc there. So yes.
I saw today this is Jamaica, and I'm going to talk about how my weekend was and show you about the chicken. My weekend was good, and I stay over here for a bit, and some days I come over here, and so Tyler told me to give you guys a cam and take and tell you about my weekend and the chickens. So here are the chickens. And so now I'm going back in.
All right. Sometimes you gotta live up to your word. Sonia's laundry's done, so I convinced her to come with, but coop's looking spacious. All right, ladies, I'm a little disappointed here because it's open, it's free, and we've created this environment that you guys feel like you can't go outside of. You can do it. You're staying in the guava tree. Look, all that space now to roam. Okay, well, I guess we'll come back later and check out the environment. You guys, spread your legs a little bit. Yeah, here, you watch the little chicks. Okay, perfect. All right, look at you guys getting accepted by the ladies. I see you. We're all hanging out together now? Oh, come on. Be nice. Close enough. All right, I'm getting some more water for you. Right back. All right, we're late. It's 1:40. We promised the kids a little river. Chicken run has been expanded to the backyard. The dogs are out and about, running away from the children who opened up the gates. You guys are doing great. Spot! Junior, the dogs. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. And we're gonna go to a river. And Sonia says she wants to go. She got the curtains. Now she wants curtain rods because we have the little stretch it and put it in. No, we need real curtain rods. The ones you gotta drill into the wall. Which I'm gonna find someone to drill in the wall because I don't want to do it. But she knows. Bribe the kids to get the coop done to go to the river. Bribe Sonia to go to the river to get to go curtain rod shopping. It'll be great. It'll be great. We'll figure it out. Alright.
Well, now we keep it,
Yeah.
To the river. I'm driving through the river. If we get flown away, okay, bye. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is great. There's a fishy. Now what, Dave?
Well,
Look how
everybody,
low the
Dave.
river is, Dave.
Tell her turn back here, man.
I'm gonna reach my river.
We'll figure it out. All right, you can't make this up. Junior's got a life jacket on, so here we go. Where? Deep where? Oh. Okay.
This is no water for ramp.
How are you gonna get down there, Dave?
By up down here, sir.
What?
Down here, sir.
Down here. I don't think that's gonna work, dude. Okay.
No, up here, sir. Yes. Up here, sir.
All right, let's go check it out. Nah, I can see rocks, Mario. It is pretty.
Yes.
All right, let's check it out. Here we go. All right, come. Give Nana your bag. Come on, right here. I'll carry you down from here. Just step right here. Come on, man. You can do it. Nana will carry you down. Just step right here. Come on. There you go. All right. Here, I got you. Roy, you got my hat. Get my hat. Come on, got my hat. You got my hat?
Yes.
Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at this place, man. Wow. I guess this was a good choice. Secret. New place, Waterfall. Check this out. I did not know this place existed. Wow. Should have brought the drone next time. Next time. But just a short drive down the road. Waterfall. Beautiful pools. Right? Jamaica. All right, man, here we go. You're gonna climb the rocks. You can do it. You can do it. Step right here. There you go. There you go. There you go. Push up, push up, push up. Push up, stand up. There you go. Reach for, all right, now what? You can do it. Here, put your other foot right here. There you go. Now push. Oh, put your foot there. I got you. I got you. Push, 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 push. Yes, there you go, man. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, you made it. Reach for Nana. You're gonna make it. All right, good job, man. Hey, don't forget me. Who's gonna call me up? You gonna come get me? Oh, okay. I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay. Goat. I'm gonna look for the other path, okay?
I didn't think the other part better than the one.
They think we're gonna. Oh, there's even a rope. Maybe that's the sign. Oh wait, it's a goat. I was like, there's a rope that tells you where to go, and then it's not a rope, it's a goat. A goat and a rope. Oh, look at the goat. Yeah, man, for sure. A goat and a rope. Yeah, it looks a little easier, but yeah, it's got the same, but it'll get you down to the water, the walking part. But okay, pleasantly surprised by. Didn't even know this. You knew this was here? Pretty accessible. Might have to come back. The kids having a good time. Water level could be a little bit higher, but I'm not going to complain because you got to drive over the river to get to the waterfall. What'd you think, man? It's nice? Oh, okay. What? Oi. He saw us. What do you think, Quayna? You ready to jump? You gonna jump?
No.
Come on, Junior. Oh boy. That was interesting. Quite the river adventures. Right on the side of the road.
Yeah, I think I prefer the other one on Richmond Road.
Oh yeah, you prefer that one?
Yeah.
Why, dear? Why do you prefer that one?
Because at least I can't go down in it.
You made it down?
Yeah, but
Technically.
Then, so you come back up, put up the wrong foot, put up the left foot first and the left foot. Now I'm going nowhere. So I have to take on the left foot and put up the right one. It swing up.
We gotta work on our lunges, dear. That's what.
Yeah, so I put up it, you say I go like this. So.
Ooh, you're gonna feel that one tomorrow. Maybe you'll join me in the workout tomorrow. We're gonna get out of here sometime soon.
No.
Sonia's looking for curtain rods.
What?
I know, curtain rods. Ready? Steady? Yeah? She's excited.
Huh?
So you're excited, curtain rods?
No, you curtain rod and a curtain for your kitchen.
More
Short one
curtains?
for your kitchen.
Yay.
That's
What do we got? What do we got?
Alabama.
A glass mug for Sonia so we can have coffee together.
Sesame.
Hey, short of kitchen curtain because they don't want to too long.
Kitchen curtains. Did I just send one?
Yes. These ones short.
Right, but they look very, very holiday festive.
As only they come to
Yay.
As only they come on down.
Alright, that's for you.
Thank you.
Rod. Right, Pavlov's dogs would be salivating right now. I carry out a little extra chicken food, and this is what you get. Piece. Chickens that escaped. Little chickens. Mama chickens. Everybody here. You get a little. Get the mama chickens and their little chickens. No, you guys come with me. Yeah, I know. You see? Everybody's upset. You can't win. Come. Teenagers, with me. Let's go. Right. Spot, no chicken food for you. See, we're getting there. We're figuring it out. Oh boy. Come, let's go this way. Through the wilderness terrain. Oh, hey mamas. We fed you once already. Where's all this food going? Where's my teens at? Hi. Ah, day about the. Yeah, teenagers, you guys are on the other side of the fence. I'm gonna figure this out. How did you guys eat all that food? You coming over here? Come on, let's go. Almost there. I'll help you out. Come here. I know. Oh, going up. Where's your friend? Huh? Where's your friend? I don't know. You guys got to stay in the space. Look, we expanded the space all the way out to here. Free reign, but you guys keep going. That's where you need to be for the food. Where's your friend? Come on, other teenager. Let's go. Hi. I know. Surprise. Come. No. You're coming with me. Come on. Spot, you don't even get any food either. I know. Those guys get theirs. And you, come on with me. Let's go. Let's go. Up and over the sugar cane. Around the banana planting. Nothing but... Oh, there we go. Alright. You got this. You're welcome.
Tell me what you loving some more. Show me the right. Tell me what you loving some more. Show me the right.
All right, kids are playing football on the street. Had to buy them another ball. We'll see how long it lasts. Costs like $7, but you get what you pay for. And Maka tends to destroy them quite quickly. But it was interesting today. I was like, I grew up in the early 90s. Good old Disney era of Prime, if you ask me. The prior to CGI, actually hand-drawn cartoons. And I was thinking today, I was like, I remember going to like Disneyland and the Jungle Cruise and all that stuff, and it was just like, yeah, they made it look like a real river and real little waterfalls. And then you come here and you're like, hey, it's a real river and real little waterfalls, just like my childhood, even though that might have been artificially created, and this one's the real deal. So one might say reliving your childhood, even though that was maybe artificially induced, and this one a bit more organic. Speaking of organic, yeah, these chickens don't run from the dogs, which I think is helping them not being chased. Unlike the rooster, these ones are like, what are you doing? Yeah, you can smell, but you can't touch, you hear? Right? Can't win. I expanded your living space. So, I need to go. Wait. I know. Yeah, you. And the rooster hides in the tree. You guys need to go with your moms back in the coop. Please and thank you. I know. Look at this. All the way to there. That whole entire corner is all yours, and you still got to come out here for some reason. Get attention from the dogs. Look, moms are already asleep. Sun's not even down yet, and you guys are already ready for bed. I hear you, man. I hear you. I know what it's like, man. Let's go to bed early. Why not? The sun's setting. I'm gonna try and figure this out. All right, you guys do you. Little kids, listen. It's time to head inside the house. Okay, sun's going down. Mom's got it all figured out, but you guys are just like, party. We're gonna stay up late. We want to have a good time. All the older sisters, they're out roaming around. We'll figure it out. That's not even the reason I came out here. Sonia has sent me to search for a pepper. First time in a long time we've been pepperless. Maybe. Check Sonia's. Yeah. Whole lot of nothing. Some flowers. Yeah. Anything over here? No? Alright, strike out, man. We gotta nurse this Old Faithful back to health, man. Hey, watered it today, we'll see how it goes. But no peppers tonight. Nope. Oh well. Alright, bad news. No peppers. 0 peppers. We're pepperless. I don't know. Gonna be okay? Well, sometimes you gotta live life on the edge. We're all purpose, never hurt nobody.
Yeah, boy.
Does all purpose have pepper?
Yeah.
It's got black pepper.
You ask the pepper.
Not according to the ingredients.
Yeah, pepper seasoning line.
Mm.
You want to back here, look?
I'm gonna go hit the showers, dear. I'm gonna walk away with my dignity.
You don't want the throat, so.
Yeah, let's not get carried away. Mars is not in the best of moods.
Yeah.
Feel like we're having a little bit of deja vu, huh? Chicken hunt strikes again. This might look nice. Anyway, it's like the ongoing. Where will the chickens be tonight? Place your bets. Hit the like button if you're bored. Sonia burnt up all the old apple tree clippings, or hurricane droppings, I'm gonna call them. All right, let's see what interesting things we got going on. Okay, good news. Just the two amigas, excuse me. Great, you look thrilled. All of our babies inside. You guys know where you're at, in there. Cool, all by yourself? I don't even have to get you inside. I can just close the door. Oh, yeah, I might just leave the door open next time, but great, you're good. All right, ladies, I know you don't like going in with the moms, but I think they're asleep already. Hold on. Yes, they're already chill. So we're gonna put you in there now, okay? Calling that a win, a success. It's nice and easy. Didn't have to chase any chickens, just set it and forget it. Curry chicken tonight. The irony of having to put chickens to bed and then eating chicken. Right? Yo, bro, are you winning? I'm gonna get the next one. Get the plate. I think that's it. I think we'll call it a night. You ready to call it a night? Well, what do we gotta say?
Good night, go to bed.
That's pretty good. Bye. He's not going. Yeah.